I say, Arthur, have you seen those apples? They look absolutely magnificent. Surely one bite couldn't do any harm. Have you lost your mind, Freddie? If the squire catches us, he'll have us scrubbing the church floor until we're 30. Or worse, he'll tell my father. Oh, don't be so dramatic, Oliver. It's a foolproof operation. Listen carefully. Freddie, create a distraction at the south gate. Throw pine cones into the bushes and lure Higgins away from the orchard. I'd do far worse for those apples. Meanwhile, you and I climb the east wall. We'll fill our pockets with apples and a few prize turnips. Then we make a swift exit. And what happens if we're caught?
We won't be.
We'll meet beneath the old stone bridge and enjoy the spoils. I hope this works. Let's do it! Stay close. Let's go. Remember the plan. Stay quiet. Go now, nice and slowly. I've got this. Stay low. Don't make a sound. I'm right behind you. This should do it. Come on, hear that?
What was that? Who's there?
Now, follow me. Okay. Keep watch. I'm going up. Be careful. The way is clear. I'm coming. Come on, it's safe. I'm right behind you. Here I go. Slowly, don't rush. Stop! Sorry.
That sound came from over there.
Don't move. Now, come down. I'm inside.
It must be around here.
Come on, look this way.
What was that?
Nice throw. One at a time. Keep looking over there. That was perfect. Almost. Arthur, the branch!
That's strange.
What?
Someone is here.
Stay perfectly still. He's coming. Go that way.
Who's over there?
That was smart. Good job. I'll keep watch. Let's be quick. Hold the bag. Got it. He's still looking. It's getting heavy. Hold it carefully. He's turning back.
Fresh footprints.
Please hear me. The warning. He knows.
Let's see where these lead.
Be ready to move.
I'm ready. Please don't look this way.
Freshly picked.
He found it. I'm sorry. Please don't come closer.
Come out. I know you're here.
Wait for the wind. Okay. Please hurry. Now, follow me. Right behind you. You can do it.
They can't be far.
You go. I'll follow. Almost there.
Who's at the wall?
He's coming! Run to the bikes!
Hey! Stop right there!
Let's go! You made it! Ride! Don't stop! We're almost home! Come on!
You boys! Stop right there!
One TV remote, 2 kids, one big argument. But just a few minutes later, one unexpected moment changed everything. Can Jake and Emma learn to share before it's too late? Let's find out.
Come on! Score! Jake, can I watch my cooking show now? No way. The game is almost over. You've been watching for hours. Just a few more minutes. I'd like to watch my cooking show. I still wanted to finish the game. Can I have the remote back? I want to finish my show. Just a little longer. Okay, but I was really enjoying the game. Emma, watch out! Uh-oh, I didn't mean to.
What happened here?
She changed the channel. He wouldn't let me watch anything.
Look at this family picture. Was this disagreement worth it?
I'm sorry.
No. Then let's solve it together. Let's work together.
It looks much better. We fixed it together. You can watch your show first. Really? Of course. Thank you. We can watch the football game later. Deal. That cake is bigger than the bowl of popcorn. You know, you're actually funny sometimes. Sometimes, I'm funny all the time.
Look at these two.
They're having a great evening together.
Looks like you solved the problem together.
We did. Sharing made everything better.
I'm proud of both of you.
Emma was only gone for a few minutes.
But suddenly, she couldn't find her family anywhere. Will Emma stay calm and find her way back? Watch until the end to see what happens.
Is everyone ready?
Yes!
Everyone sit safely.
This is gonna be fun! I can't wait! I can see the Ferris wheel!
We're almost there.
Just a little longer.
Wow! It's beautiful!
Look at all the rides.
This place is amazing!
We'll try them all.
Let's ride the Ferris wheel.
Yes, please!
Stay close.
Everything looks so tiny. I can see the whole fair.
What a beautiful view. Let's try some games.
I'm ready.
Ready to play?
I'm ready.
You knocked them down. Great job.
I did it!
Choose your prize.
I love this bunny!
It's perfect.
Let's get something to eat.
I'm getting hungry. Wow, that teddy bear is huge. It's even bigger up close. Wait for me. Mom? Dad? Where are they? I'll ask for help.
Hello, little one. Are you okay?
I can't find my family.
Don't worry. We'll help you.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Emma.
We'll find your family.
Emma Johnson, please come to the security booth.
That's Emma!
Emma is safe. Come on.
Come on, let's go!
Mom! Dad!
Emma!
Emma! We found you!
I'm so happy you're safe.
We were looking everywhere for you.
I'm sorry.
You did the right thing by asking for help. Thank you for helping our daughter. I'm glad she's safe.
We really appreciate your kindness. Let's enjoy a snack.
This popcorn smells great.
Thank you! Today was a special day.
The best part is we're together.
Family always comes first. Ready to go home?
Yes, together.
We're home.
I'm happy. Today taught us something important. I'll always stay close.
We'll look after each other. If you ever get lost, stay calm and ask a trusted adult for help.
I will remember. We're proud of you.
See you next time!
Have you ever had one of those days where everything seems to go wrong?
Well, that's exactly what happened to 9-year-old Jake.
And it all started because of one simple problem.
I'm gonna be late!
He didn't have a daily routine.
Jake! Wake up! It's 7:30.
5 more minutes, Mom. Wait, what time is it?
School starts in 30 minutes.
This is the worst day ever! Where are my socks? My worksheet. Where is it?
Jake! The bus will be here soon.
I only found one. I found it!
Great! Now hurry!
I'm coming!
Jake, are you feeling okay today?
Yeah, I'm just really tired.
Did you get enough sleep?
Not really. I stayed up playing video games.
Your body needs rest so your brain can learn. Rough day?
I forgot my homework, I was late to class, and I was tired all day.
Can I show you something?
Sure.
What if we made a simple daily routine?
I guess it couldn't make things worse.
Let's make a simple daily routine. 7 o'clock. Wake up.
Wake up.
Then homework, playtime, dinner, family time, and bedtime.
That's it?
That's it.
It looks easy.
The best routines usually are.
Good morning!
You're ready early.
My routine is working.
You're early today.
I've been working on that.
I can tell. The answer is
12.
excellent job, Jake.
Thank you.
For the first time all week, he felt confident.
You seem different lately. Really? Yeah. You're not always rushing anymore. I started following a routine. A routine sounds boring. That's what I thought. But honestly, it gives me more time to do fun stuff. Maybe I should try one too. Trust me, it helps.
Jake learned that a daily routine isn't about having more rules.
It's about making life easier. When you know what needs to be done and when to do it, you spend less time worrying. So here's a challenge for you. What's one good habit you can add to your daily routine today? Maybe it's waking up on time, maybe it's reading for 15 minutes, or maybe it's getting ready for school the night before. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how much easier your days become.
See you in the next story. Good routines create good habits, and good habits help us become our best selves.